In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js on Windows and set up Claude Code from the command line. We'll start by getting Node.js installed on your Windows computer. Open your browser and go to the official Node.js website. On the home page, click Download. Choose the Windows installer option that matches your system. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the setup prompts. It's perfectly fine to accept the default options. When the installer completes, you're ready for the next part. Now head to the Claude website, navigate to the Claude Code section, then go to Advanced Installation. Scroll down until you find the Standard Installation area. There, you'll see a command provided for setting up Claude Code. Highlight that command and copy it to your clipboard. We'll paste it in a moment. Open Windows Search and type command prompt. Click to open it. First, let's confirm Node.js installed correctly. Type node dev and press enter. You should see a version number appear. If you do, you're good to continue. If not, revisit the installer and try again, then reopen command prompt. With command prompt still open, right-click to paste the command you copied from the Claude Code standard installation section, then press enter. Let the process run until it finishes. If you see any prompts, follow them as shown. Next, open File Explorer, pick a location you like, right-click in the blank space, and create a new folder. Rename it to something meaningful so you'll remember what it's for. Open that folder. At the very top of File Explorer, click the address bar, type cmd, and press enter. This opens a command prompt window that's already pointed to your new folder. In this new command prompt, type Claude and press enter. If you're prompted with a security or permission dialog, choose yes and continue. After that, type login and press enter. Your browser will open to complete the sign-in process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account. To use Claude Code beyond the basics or to access premium features, you'll need to purchase a subscription. Follow the prompts on the Claude website to choose the plan that fits your needs and complete the checkout. Once your subscription is active and your login is confirmed, return to your command prompt window and your